Planning for a camping trip and not sure what to pack? Well, worry no more. Here's a list of essentials that will make your outdoor adventure comfortable, safe, and enjoyable. First up, a tent. This humble piece of gear is your home away from home, providing shelter from the elements and a cozy place to curl up at night. Seek out a tent that's simple to set up, robust, and offers enough space for your needs. Next in line, a sleeping bag. This is your bed for the night, keeping you snug and toasty as you sleep under the stars. Remember to choose a bag with an appropriate temperature rating for the conditions you anticipate. For a little extra comfort, consider a sleeping pad or an air mattress. These items provide a buffer between you and the hard ground, giving you a more comfortable sleep and helping to keep you warm. Now, what's a camping trip without some delicious outdoor cooking? A portable stove or campfire cooking equipment is essential. Go for something lightweight and easy to transport that matches your culinary aspirations. When the sun goes down, you'll need a headlamp or flashlight. These provide the illumination required to cook, navigate, and perform other tasks after dark. A hands-free option like a headlamp is a convenient choice. A multi-tool or knife is an incredibly versatile piece of equipment. Whether you need to slice, cut, or repair gear, these tools come in handy. Opt for a durable, versatile tool that suits your requirements. Water, the elixir of life. A water filtration or purification system will ensure you have access to clean drinking water, whether you're relying on natural sources or campground facilities. A first aid kit is a must-have. It contains essential supplies for treating minor injuries and illnesses. Customize your kit based on your planned activities and the size of your group. For the tech-savvy camper, a portable power bank or solar charger is a lifesaver. This item keeps your electronic devices powered up, be it your smartphone, GPS, or emergency communication devices. Finally, don't forget your navigation tools. A map, compass, or GPS device helps you find your way, especially in remote or unfamiliar areas. Remember, these items can vary based on factors such as location, duration, and type of camping trip, so always consider your specific needs when packing. In summary, a successful camping trip relies on preparation. A sturdy tent, a warm sleeping bag, cooking equipment, a reliable light source, a multi-tool, a water purification system, a first aid kit, a power source, and navigation tools are all essential components of your camping gear. By packing wisely, you can ensure an enjoyable and safe outdoor adventure. Happy camping!